In January 2020, through a TV and radio advert by Adam Arafat, a spiritualist, he compelled the 11-year-old victim and her mother to travel from Bawku to Tamale to seek spiritual assistance from him. During the consultation, the victim's mother was asked to purchase items to aid in the spiritual process. The absence of the victim's mother led to the defilement of the victim in the uncompleted building used as a shrine. Adam Arafat was subsequently arrested by police and put before the court after the Tamale Teaching Hospital examined the victim. After 1.5 years of a full trial, the court found Adam Arafat guilty of defilement. The Northern Regional Coordinator of the Domestic Violence and Victim Support Unit, DSP Emmanuel Holotu, in an interview with GH1 News, recounted what happened to the victim.
So immediately they got there. He told the lady that he will need a bottle of schnapp to prepare her medication. And as such, the lady had to go to town to get the bottle of schnapp. Unfortunately, this lady didn't go with the daughter. He left the daughter behind and then came to town to get a bottle of schnapp. By the time she got back, this guy had sex with the girl and warned her not to make noise about it, or else he was going to sacrifice her and the mother to the gods. So after the preparation of the medication, the woman had to leave. So on their way, walking to the roadside to pick a vehicle, the girl could not walk at the pace of the mother. So the mother, out of curiosity, turned to question the girl why she was dragging behind, and found to her surprise that the girl was dripping of blood at her thigh. So further interrogation got the girl to reveal to the mother that when she left to buy a bottle of schnapp, this accused person, Adam Arafat, forced and had sex with her and threatened her not to make noise about it.
He expressed appreciation to the victim's family for their cooperation in getting justice for their daughter.
Facts. And we were also sure of the cooperation of the complainant, who is the victim's mother, to come down anytime we needed her with the daughter. If we had not got their cooperation, the trial could go either way. We will say it's the cooperation of the complainant and then the victim that has given us access. Because most cases we don't get the cooperation of the victims and the complainants if the victims happen to be minors.
DSP Holotu called for cooperation among public institutions like health facilities in the country to reduce crime.
So if the public institutions like hospitals or health facilities will also cooperate on issues of crime, not only sexual offenses, but issues of robbery, because people engage our men in shootouts. Some get injured, but they are able to escape. They get themselves treated by people who will not report. And if you don't report a case of an injured person who suffered gunshot injury, and you don't report, and you are a medical officer and you treat such a person, you may be the next victim of a robbery that they will get. So it is not only in cases of sexual distance, but anybody who comes to a health facility with any injury out of abuse or out of any injury they suffered from violent crime, I think the police deserve to be notified